Hey everyone, today we're going to be going through how to download and get started with the Football Canada mobile app as a coach. So we're going to cover how to get set up and just give you a brief preview of some of the main features within the app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your smartphone and go to the App Store or Google Play if you're on an Android device. Once you go in there, there should be a button to search for a specific app you would like to find in the store. So I went there and I'm going to type in Football Canada and hit search, and I'll see it's the first one that came up there. So once I open it, I can then download it to my device. Mine has already been downloaded, so now I'm going to go back and find it. So I've found the Football Canada app there, open it up, and if it's your first time using the app, the first thing you're going to want to do here is sign up an account. If you have already used it, you can just use the sign in button, enter your email and password, and there is a link there to recover your password if you forgot it. So I'm going to sign up here, new coach, and enter in your email address. And then you're going to want to put in a password, so pretty standard account sign up process, and your date of birth, and agree to the terms of service and sign up. So once you've signed up and created your account there, the first thing it's going to prompt you to do, if you're a coach, is you're going to want to set up your team here. If there was a parent or assistant coach joining your team, they would click the join your team option and then enter in your team code, and they would be linked up. So we'll show you how they get their team code later on in this demonstration. So I'm going to click set up your team. I'm just going to put in the name of my team, and all this information can be changed at any time. We just have to pick our age group. So I'm going to pick under 14, and then the game type. So I'm going to click on flag football. So this just helps us personalize the content in your content libraries, and then there is some additional customization options if you would like there. And then I tap create team here at the bottom, and now I'm brought into the main portion of the app. So if you're initially going in here and you just want to check out some of the library content and resources, you're going to want to go into your coaches section here. This is where you're going to find all the various content libraries and resources. So we have drills in here. All the drills are automatically filtered to your age group and game type, and then this is where you can browse the library. So we got some options here, so you can filter by most recent or most viewed or most popular. Whenever you tap on a drill, it just brings you to the full drill breakdown, so you can see the media item there at the top, description, the important coaching points, as well as the variations. And if you would like to favorite this drill, you can just click the heart button in the top right corner, and it'll save it to your favorites for a later time. And then the other thing you're going to want to use here is in this top right corner, we have, some additional filter options. So you can actually filter your drills by specific categories. So let's go run, catch, and cover, as well as specific skills within each category that you might want to focus on. And then as soon as you close this out, it basically filters all the drills in your library by those parameters. And then if you find stuff that's missing, we also have the option in here where you can go and add some of your own drills that you could either share with players or build into your practice plans in the app. So if you just hit the plus button here, you can go in there and enter in drill name, all the text points, and then you can upload a video from your phone, and that will be stored in your own drill library, and that's all saved to your personal account as a coach. Then we also have the option here to look at practice plans. So we have some that are available for free. Others, you're required to upgrade your account. So this is all the library plans. When I open up a plan, I can see my practice sections. These ones that actually have drills embedded. If you click the drop down, you can actually go and navigate straight to the drills that are included within that specific section of your plan and see the full drill breakdown from that view. Also, any of the library plans are fully editable. So if you click this edit button in the bottom, you can basically change anything within the plan. You can remove sections, rearrange. If you click the drop down here, I could remove drills from a section, add drills, whether they be my own drills or drills from the library, can all be completely edited in here. And then as soon as that plan is saved, any modifications you make to a library plan will then just be saved in this my plan section. Or if you wanted, you could build an entire plan from scratch by basically adding in your periods and time limits and all the drills, so you have them all saved on your account on your phone. And then one neat feature that we have is a newer one, is once your assistant coaches have joined up to your team, we actually have a coach chat feature. So once you have the plan that you would like to do, I can go in here, say this is the plan that we're doing this week, and I can actually share that right in the chat room, and say to my assistant coaches, check out the plan, and then everybody could go in there and actually open up the plan, see the breakdown. If they have recommendations for stuff they would like to see change, they can make that, or they can modify as they need. So it's a really good collaborative space for practice planning. So, or you can of course share drills and any other content item right here in your coaches group chat. Also within the app, if you're looking to post an announcement, important information that you want everybody on your team to see, you can go in here and do so. So in this section, you can, type out your announcement. Again, attach media, plans, drills, whatever you'd like, and then it just comes up for everybody on your team to see in the announcements section. And then we also have the schedule. So, you can utilize this section to actually add events to your team schedule, set the date, time limit. Again, if you want to attach content, you can. And then that new event, that new practice that I've scheduled is now on my schedule, and everybody on my team can see that. You can open it up to see more details on that specific practice, or if you need to make changes in there, you can actually go in there and cancel the activity, delete it, or edit it in that section. So pretty basic scheduling tool there. And then in your team section, so we also have a group chat in here as well. So this one is for everybody on the team. So this one is not just for coaches. Anybody who joins up to your team will be able to post and see messages within this group chat section. And then this is also where you will be able to go to invite more people to join your team. So as I mentioned at the start, if somebody puts in the team code, that's what will actually add them in your team members section. So in this team member section right now, you'll just see me as the admin because I'm the one who created the team. But if you want to, get your coaches and parents and players in here, then you're just going to want to go to this invite members, and that basically is your unique 6-character team code. So anybody that signs up from the app, and as soon as they make their account, they hit that join team and put in that team code, then they will automatically be added into your team members section here. So they will show up there. Everybody, when they first join your team, shows up as a member. So members basically are just viewers of the announcements. They can view content shared with them by their coach. They can view activities on the schedule, all that sort of things. But then if you actually have some of your assistant coaches or other people joining your team, then you can just tap on their name in the list to change their permissions to a coach, and then they'll actually be added to the coaches group chat and be able to add things to the schedule, post announcements, all those things that a coach would need to do. So that is a high level overview. The last thing in this more section, we have your user settings in here. So, if you need to change any of your account information, you can go and do so. We also have some feedback and support links in there as well. And if you are using the tool with multiple multiple teams, then in this My Team section, I could actually go into here and create an additional team and then switch between my teams as needed. One important point to note on that is that if any content you make as a coach is saved to your profile, so if you go into a different team, you'll still be able to use all the plans and drills and everything that you've created. It's just that when you're in that team, of course, all the schedule and the announcements and the messages, all of that will be specific to that particular team. And then the last thing, so on the basic version, you have access to some example content and some of the basic functionality, and then if you upgrade your team, you basically get access to the full content, so all the practice plans, and you get the ability to actually share all of your own custom content as a coach. So there's two options. You can either purchase an upgrade in the app, or if you are a member of your provincial football association, then they will basically be providing you with a premium upgrade credit. So at the top of the screen, you will see the ability to apply that credit and upgrade your team without making a purchase directly in-app. So that is everything you need to know about using the Football Canada mobile app. Explore it. If you need additional support and resources, you can go to footballcanadamobile.com. Again, that's footballcanadamobile.com, and that has additional information on how to get set up and support resources and everything you need to use this tool.